Fourth lesson of Geography, Agriculture. Earlier we discussed about the technological and institutional reform done by our government to improve the agriculture, and different institutions are also set up by our Indian government to modernize the agriculture in India. These institutions are ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Next, agriculture universities are set up in different parts of India. Different veterinary services center and animal breeding centers are also opened. In the field of horticulture, in the cultivation of fruits and vegetable development also, government has set up horticultural development centers. And for the weather forecasting, the different meteorological departments are set up in India. They give us knowledge about the weather. That is very beneficial for our farmers. We will describe now impact of globalization on agriculture. What is globalization? Globalization means interlinking or interrelation among the countries of world. Globalization is not a new phenomenon. It was at the time of colonization also. Colonization means when so many colonial powers or European powers came to India, mainly when the Britishers came to India. At that time also, we can say that there was globalization. The Britishers came to India and they carried large number of products from India to the European country or their own country also. So that was also the globalization. India adopted the globalization after 1990 in the new era, and under globalization after 1990, the farmers in India, they faced so many challenges. India is a great producer of rice, cotton, tea, rubber, etc. But when India entered in globalization, they have to face the competition with the agriculture products of developed countries, and we are not able to face the competition with the developed countries because in those countries there is highly subsidized agriculture. So it means our agriculture products are costly for those countries. So after the globalization also, the condition of farmers has not improved. But Green Revolution promised to improve the condition of farmers in India, and in the Green Revolution also we face the problem. Such as we are facing the problem in globalization, and we are facing the problem by adopting the Green Revolution also. In the Green Revolution we are making more use of chemicals. Due to this, land degradation has been taken place. So what is the need of present? Today there is need of organic farming. Organic farming means the farming that is done without use of fertilizers and pesticides, and this organic farming has not any bad impact on our environment. So now we have to think about the organic farming.